Press Shift+A and add a blank grease pencil object. Switch to Draw mode and set stroke placement to stroke. Now the lines you draw will snap to existing lines. Another thing that's important is the viewing angle. With these two things in mind, you can confidently place strokes in 3D space. In Object mode, select the grease pencil object. Go to Object, Convert, Path to convert it to a path. Select the new path object in the outliner. You can give it depth, increase the resolution and fill caps. In Edit mode, using proportional editing, you can select vertices and scale them up with Alt-S. Go to Object, Convert, Mesh to convert the path to a mesh.